Most car battery chargers on the market are overpriced junk built to fail within months. Pick wrong and you're stranded with a dead battery and a costly tow. Ever had a charger that barely starts your car and drains your wallet? Relax, this video will steer you to dependable options that won't let you down. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car battery charger that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the TowerTop Battery Charger. From the first glance, the TowerTop exudes a sturdy build with a brushed aluminum shell that conveys premium durability. The compact footprint and integrated HD LCD screen contribute to a clean, space-saving design suitable for crowded garages. Versatile, the charger supports 4 adjustable current settings including auto mode, enabling flexible balancing between speed and battery health. With up to 25 amps, it can charge a 100 amp-hour battery quickly for shorter waiting times. Fully automatic charging for convenience and safety, it detects battery status and starts charging automatically after connection, ensuring effortless operation without manual presses. The device remembers your last settings, delivering a seamless experience even after power outages and resets, ensuring familiar operation resumes quickly. Designed for 12-volt sealed lead-acid batteries across cars, boats, RVs, and other deep cycle applications. The 8-stage charging cycle includes desulfurization, soft start, bulk charge, absorption, analysis, repair, float, and pulse maintenance. Battery repair mode provides desulfurization and repair actions to revive neglected cells, though it cannot fully restore a completely dead battery. Compared with a basic 2-amp charger, the TowerTop delivers faster charging, smarter maintenance, and automatic protection that outshines basic models. The pros include efficient charging, fully automatic safety, and 8-stage charging. The cons include higher price and bulkier footprint. In real-world usage, desulfurization features help revive aging batteries and reduce sulfation during long-term storage. For users juggling several vehicles or boats, the automatic memory and safe maintenance mode ensures consistent behavior across sessions. The TowerTop battery charger suits hobbyists and professionals who value speed, safety, and versatile battery handling in a single unit. At number 4, we have the Schumacher SC1280. From the first glance, this charger targets busy drivers, boat owners, and DIY enthusiasts who value reliable battery care and simple operation. The build quality feels solid with a rugged housing and well-spaced controls that support 6-volt and 12-volt charging for automotive and marine batteries. Its compact footprint and integrated carry handle make it easy to position on a crowded workbench or tucked away in a boat storage area. The charger delivers up to 15 amps of rapid charging while automatically adjusting the voltage to match the battery type. In maintain mode, it floats the voltage to keep stored batteries ready without overcharging, which is ideal for seasonal vehicles. A built-in digital display shows current battery voltage and percent charge, providing clear feedback during each charging cycle. Safety protections include reverse hookup protection and automatic shutoff, reinforcing Schumacher quality and responsible battery care. Compared to the Noco Genius series, the brand's charger offers automatic voltage detection and a robust maintenance function that caters to a variety of battery chemistries. The pros include reliable automatic voltage detection, powerful 15-amp charging, and versatile 6 and 12-volt compatibility. The cons include a higher price point and a bulkier footprint than some compact portable chargers. In practical testing, this 4-in-1 power charger performs consistently, charging and maintaining a variety of batteries while transitioning smoothly between modes. The charger supports 6-volt and 12-volt standard, AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries, making it a flexible solution for cars, boats, and power equipment. The design also incorporates reverse hookup protection and fully automatic operation to prevent mishaps during misconnection and extend battery life. For readers seeking a dependable all-in-one charger that blends safety, versatility, and Schumacher reliability, the charger stands as a practical choice for home garages and marinas. At number 3, we have the JOLTEKON Jump Starter. From first touch, the 8-in-1 design signals a portable emergency kit crafted for drivers, travelers, and outdoor explorers. Its capability to start vehicles when sitting dead is highlighted by a 4,500 amps rating, signaling formidable cold start potential. Ideal for households with multiple vehicles, light fleets, or weekend warriors who juggle errands, camping trips, and unexpected roadside challenges. Constructed with a rugged shell and reinforced interior, the JOLTEKON Jump Starter feels sturdy enough to withstand daily bumps and roadside rhythms. A comfortable integrated handle and an accessible control layout make operation during road repairs straightforward even in dim lighting. Despite its robust capabilities, the chassis remains compact, easily fitting in a glove box or trunk nook for on-the-go readiness. The 8-in-1 module combines jump starting, tire inflation, USB-C charging, flashlight, SAW signals, white and red strobes for visibility. Its tire inflator pushes up to 150 psi with auto shut-off and multiple nozzles for various tire valves. Standby can reach about 24 months, and it supports over 1,000 recharge cycles, ensuring long-term readiness. In testing, the forced start function reliably sparks stubborn batteries down to -20 Celsius, maintaining performance across gasoline and diesel engines. While powering vehicles, it can simultaneously recharge smartphones or tablets through USB-C, ensuring essential communications stay online. The air pump integrates automatic shut-off after reaching target pressure to prevent overinflation and protect tires during roadside tasks. Compared to a standard booster kit commonly found in urban garages, JOLTEKON Jump Starter delivers stronger power and built-in tire inflator capability. The pros include powerful jumpstart capability, 8-in-1 versatility that covers multiple tasks, and notably solid portability for daily carry. The cons include higher price versus basic jump starters and a weight that may challenge very tight spaces in smaller vehicles. At number 2, we have the Schumacher SC1355. This budget-friendly 3-in-1 device charges, maintains, and reconditions a range of batteries for cars, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, SUVs, and boats. For weekend warriors, classic car enthusiasts, and homeowners seeking reliable seasonal maintenance, this compact charger offers confidence during long storage intervals. Power output stays steady at 1.5 amps, compatible with 6-volt and 12-volt batteries and AGM types. The desulfation mode and multi-stage charging algorithms help extend battery life by removing sulfation buildup and optimizing charging curves. Smart trickle charging protects health over time, and reverse hookup protection enhances safety, letting beginners use it with reduced risk. Its immediate charging power of 1.5 amperes makes quick work of reviving tired batteries and readying vehicles for daily use. The complete package includes the charger, quick connect clamps, ring connectors, and a user manual, ensuring immediate setup and ongoing maintenance. Schumacher emphasizes a robust design with durable plastics and secure fittings designed for garage environments and seasonal storage challenges. Automatic detection for 6 or 12-volt configurations helps prevent misconnection, while the 3-in-1 concept consolidates charging, maintaining, and reconditioning. In practical testing, the SC1355 maintains battery health over storage periods and delivers reliable starts in cold conditions. Compared with the older Schumacher SC1300, the SC1355 adds desulfation improvements and multi-stage charging. The pros include 3-in-1 capability that consolidates charging, maintaining, and reconditioning, automatic voltage detection for safe operation, and reverse hookup protection. The cons include limited charging speed for large deep cycle batteries and no LCD display for real-time status. At number 1, we have the eFast Battery Charger. Its universal compatibility covers 12-volt and 24-volt configurations across flooded gel AGM and LiFePO4 chemistries. That same versatility translates to simple operation, making it approachable for car owners, hobbyists, and small fleets seeking dependable maintenance. The 7-stage automatic smart charging sequence adapts based on battery status, progressing through desulfation, trickle, constant current, and floating charging. A robust case and integrated digital display convey durability and clarity, helping users monitor voltage and current at a glance. The unit measures a compact footprint with low-profile design, enabling easy mounting in garages, service bays, or tool chests. Rugged surge protection and heat management systems ensure reliable operation under varying climates without overheating or voltage spikes. It supports 12-volt and 24-volt inputs with up to 20-amp or 10-amp output depending on setting. A 6-stage desulfation option and pulse repair technology aim to rejuvenate idle batteries while cautioning that jump starts remain outside scope. The built-in visualization screen displays real-time voltage current and temperature levels as charging progresses toward full capacity. During field tests, it maintains safe temperatures and avoided overvoltage while delivering steady current into a variety of automotive batteries. Compared with a basic charger, the eFast Battery Charger delivers quicker conditioning, gentler desulfation, and more consistent maintenance across diverse battery chemistries. The pros include solid build quality, broad compatibility, and LED visualization that shows voltage current and temperature during charging. The cons include no jumpstart capability, and the charger cannot activate a dead or damaged battery in emergency situations.